Standard 5th Subject Computer. Today we are going to learn lesson number 12, Print a Word Document. Students, we have created a document using various options available in Word. Now we will learn how to print a document. Before printing the document, we can view the document in different views to check if any changes are required. After viewing in different views, we can set well-defined margins, preview it and then print it. Printing a document means making a copy of the document on paper. The printed copy enables you to carry it around easily. The printed copy is also called hard copy. Different ways to view the document. Microsoft Word gives you 5 different views of a document and each has its own advantage over the others. Right now we are learning 3 views in Word. Read mode view, print layout view, web layout view. Now students, there are 2 ways of changing the view you have of a document. You can click the view tab and then choose a particular view from Text Document View tab. Or you can use the view buttons next to the zoom slider in the bottom right of the workspace. We will look at the different Word views now. Print layout view. This is default view you find yourself in when opening a document. This view is the best use when your document will contain things like images, headers and footers, columns, etc. Each of these components will be visible. In this view, you can see how the document will print according to its page breaks. Read mode view. It is used to read the document like in a book. Web layout view. Use web layout view to view the document as it would look like as a web page. In this view, you can see the background text is wrapped to fit the window and images appear as they would online. It displays the document like a web page. These views are also present of the bottom right corner of the status bar for quickly switching between different views. Page setup. Aspects of page setup include the setting of margins, a portrait or landscape, page orientation, and other features. Page setup menus can help users to set these attributes in order to ensure a print project is done correctly. Word processing applications may or may not have dedicated page setup menus. Other aspects of page setup include header and footer elements also. Color versus monotone, paper sizes and various alignments. Some tools use a ruler to help set margins for a document. Now student, layout tab contains options for making your document look neat. It prompts you to leave an even margin space on all the 4 sides of the document. All the text and graphics should be placed in the printable area inside the margin. Layout tab provides all these options in the page setup group. You can set the margin, size and orientation for the document, size of the page, columns, etc. Now, on the layout tab, click on in the page setup group. The page setup dialog box will appear. Click on the margin tab. Set the margins by using the top, bottom, left, right boxes. Set the orientation. If you want portrait, then you can select the portrait or landscape. Click on the paper tab and click on the drop down arrow on paper size box. You have to select here paper size. A4 is the standard paper size. The changes you have made can be seen in the preview section, and then click on the OK to apply changes to the document. Preview a document. Students, after completing the page setup, you can see exactly how the document will look before printing using preview. It helps to avoid any errors before the final print copy. For that, first click on File tab and then click on Print. Second, Print Preview is displayed on the right side of the window. You can zoom in the document by dragging the zoom slider in the bottom right corner of the window. To make changes in the document, click on Back. Print a document. After page setup and preview, you need to print it. Click on the File tab, otherwise click on the Office button and then click on Print. Second, the settings enables you to select the format of the document such as letter, A4 size, etc. Third, you can set the number of copies in the copies box. Fourth, you can select either print all the pages, print current page, print selection or custom print option to print the specified number of pages of the document. And then fifth, choose the printer and click on print to print. Thank you.